What's up, everybody? Rob Anderson here on the Las Vegas Strip. I just met Allie and Lindsay. We are going to do some magic for them. You guys are together. You're a couple, right? And how long have we been together?
Almost 2 years. 2 years.
No kidding.
Yep.
Very cool. Congratulations. So a couple years ago, you guys either met or at least started dating, going on some first dates, learned about each other, realized you liked each other, held hands at some point. Let's take you back to early on in the relationship when you were going out and getting to know each other, holding hands. Allie, could you hold out one hand towards Lindsay just like this? Got a card here, 6 of clubs. I'd like you to hold on to this. Lindsay, I need you to put your hand on top of that so it doesn't blow away, and so you kind of hold hands there. Perfect, just like that. With you guys holding hands, I want you to think back to those first dates. I've got the Ace of Hearts here, which I think is a little better for you guys to have. I'm not going to try to take your card away, but I think it would be cool if we could do maybe just an even trade. So with my ace right here, with my heart, you've got the other card. I'm just going to do, watch the heart. 1, 2, 3. We should be able to change it into your card, and it means you have the heart. Look, 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 look. Look at it. Cool, now you've got the heart. Neat. That's good for you to have. The hearts represent love. That's what we want. I made a little prediction before I came out here about meeting a compatible couple. I've got 4 cards here. These are 4 queens. There's a prediction on one. I don't want you to think I'm using sleight of hand to do anything funny here. So I'd like you to hold them just like I have them, just with one hand, just like that, gently, perfect, just like that. You're holding the 4 queens. Again, there's a prediction on one. I'm not touching them, so I'm committed here to this prediction. It's a 2-part trick having to do with your compatibility. Allie, your part is first. Visualize the 4 queens in her hand right now. The hearts and diamonds, those are red. The queens of clubs and spades are black. I want you to imagine if I could reach in and take one of those colors out of her hand right now and hold them up. Which color, either red or black, out loud, which color do you imagine me taking, red or black?
Red.
That's right, red cards, hearts and diamonds. Allie just chose the red cards, hearts and diamonds. Lindsay, you can keep either one of those. Would you like to keep the heart or the diamond?
Heart.
The heart over the diamond. Love over money. She's a keeper.
I know, right?
Hey, you know what's really cool? You two worked together. You thought of one card, Queen of Hearts. I predicted one card, no funny moves at all. The card that I predicted you would say actually was Queen of Hearts, and that's why I took that card and turned it upside down. And that's why I took it out of a totally different deck, just for you two. I was so sure of what you would say, of what you would think of. I told you, I was committed from the beginning on this prediction I made. That's why I didn't actually bring any other cards at all with me today, except for the Queen of Hearts, just for you two. I'm glad that worked out. Let's do the grand finale. You want to see the finale? Very cool. You're going to help me out again here. I would just like you, Lindsay, to think of any happy memory that you've made with Allie. Could be anything at all. Don't tell me. I'm not going to try to figure it out or tell anyone. Just get a really happy memory in mind, and when you have it, I'd like you to think approximately what time it happened to the nearest hour, 1 through 12 o'clock. Don't say it out loud. 3, 2, and 1 o'clock. Again, with 12 being right here, I just want you to think about your time. I don't believe it's a low number though. It's not 1 through 6, is it? We're gonna get rid of cards 1 through 6 because that's not what you're thinking of right now. This memory happened either 7 through 12 o'clock. 7 through 12. She gave a little nod. It's not 7. Correct? You can tell me if I'm right. It was either 8 through 12. I'm taking away 10 and 11. We don't need those, do we? That's not it. Correct? We don't need those. 8, 9, or 12. And I'm going to make a commitment here. It wasn't 8 or 9, it was 12, wasn't it? This memory happened at 12 o'clock. I'm going to leave this 12 o'clock card with you both because it'll be a little souvenir, represents memories you've made, memories you will make. And I'm actually going to show you, Allie, what this card is. Would you agree that that's an important card, yes?
Yeah.
That'll be your souvenir. You can keep that. And whenever you're ready, I'll let you show Lindsay that card, okay?
Are you okay?
you.